Hi everybody! If you are watching this, you are lucky enough to have someone buy you a cocktail lover's gift set. So, this is a cocktail lover's gift set exclusive, or advent calendar exclusive. So, it is a old-fashioned. Some point in the holidays, let's be honest, we all just want a bit of whiskey, something warming, something nice. So this is an old-fashioned with a bit of a twist. It's a maple, it's got some spice, it's got a little bit of like oomph, and a bit bitter. The Scrooge Mcquack. So, first we take a glass. I'm going to use an old-fashioned glass for an old-fashioned cocktail. You do not have to use an old-fashioned glass. You can use anything that holds water, or any other type of liquid for that matter, because we're not actually going to put water in it except in frozen form. Put some ice cubes. I'm going to put in 2 big ice cubes. Next, I'm going to take my whiskey. This is the one I'm using. You can use any one you want. And I'm going to put in about 1.25 ounces. You can put in more if you want, but I think 1.25 ounces is good. And this is the Scrooge Mcquack Syrup. You just need a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Start at the bottom. Slowly go higher. And that's actually it. In the syrup, there's orange peel, there's bitters, there is habanero, cardamom, there's all kinds of interesting things, everything that is in an old-fashioned and more. Cheers, guys. It's gorgeous. It's like after a long day of skiing or a long day of working and it's cold and just come home. This is what I want. It's perfect. Super simple, super easy. Enjoy, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to also take a look at my website or Facebook and take a look at what's going on. You know, I have hot chocolate kits, I have hot toddy kits, I have the ultimate cocktail lover's gift set, obviously, which you know. Yeah, it's perfect for under the tree,